Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing some Alclometasone Dipropionate Ointment USP 0.05% for dermatologic use only. So this is for eczema control. Comes in a 3-pack. They're all like stuck together. And usual dosage, apply a thin film of ointment to the affected skin areas 2 or 3 times daily. Alright, so let me show you what this looks like. If you do need this, hope you're all doing well. Eczema sucks. But luckily, our fine scientists have come up with this bad boy. Alright, so this is what the tube looks like. Boom. Nice white and yellow. Digging the packaging. 15 grams. Just apply a thin film of ointment, guys, if you're using this. And let me show you how it looks like. Alright, so you gotta puncture that with the cap, and then it's clear ointment. Don't want to open it now, but I have been using this on my eczema flare-ups and works well. Just make sure you use sunscreen, and it does thin the skin. And contact your doctor. I am not giving you medical advice because I'm a little tipsy from the Truly vodka still. Happy holidays, happy new year. Hope you're all doing well, and see you next time. Later.